Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the Bobokus Fibo Indicator for MT4. This is a Fibonacci based tool that sits in the bottom right corner of your chart and displays clear long and short targets for a chosen time frame along with the current time frame high, pivot, long level and short level. I'll walk you through how this panel looks, what the values mean and the key settings you can adjust. At this point I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports. Alright, and there we have it at the bottom right. On the chart, the Bobokus Fibo indicator appears as a compact information panel in the bottom right corner like I previously said, rather than drawing Fibonacci lines across price. Inside this panel, you typically see the selected time frame, the current time frame high, a central pivot level, and labeled long and short references or reference levels derived from Fibonacci calculations. It also lists long targets and short targets, so you can immediately see potential objective levels in both directions without manually drawing anything on the chart. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look at what we have. The inputs. The time frame setting lets you choose which higher time frame the indicator should reference for its high, pivots, long, and short calculations, even if you're viewing a lower chart. The fibonum setting controls which Fibonacci ratios or count the tool uses internally when projecting the long and short target levels from the pivot range. Intra color sets the color used for the intraday or internal reference text in the panel, while upper color defines how the long side levels and targets are colored, and lower color defines the color used for short side levels and targets. So who this indicator is for? The Bobokus Fibo Indicator is suited to traders who want a clean dashboard style view of Fibonacci based pivots and directional targets, especially when they like to anchor their trades to a specific higher time frame while working from a lower chart. It is a visual information tool only, does not execute trades, and its pivots, long and short targets should be treated as reference zones rather than guaranteed turning points. Always confirm the price action and your own risk management. You can download the Bobokus Fibo Indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. It gives you a concise bottom right panel showing time frame, high, pivot, and Fibonacci based long and short targets so you can frame trades quickly without drawing manual levels on every chart. If you found this updated breakdown helpful, make sure you like the video, drop a comment with your questions or experiences, and subscribe to the Forex Geek with notifications turned on so you don't miss future indicator walkthroughs. I'll see you in the next video.